No talking, no showing your face, just money. Here are 5 side hustles you can start today that pay $100 plus daily, even while staying completely anonymous. Hustle 1. Print-on-demand automation. Use tools like Canva plus Printify plus Etsy. AI generates the designs, you upload, Printify ships. Zero inventory, scalable income. Hustle 2. Faceless YouTube channels. Like this video you're watching now. Use free AI voice, stock footage, and ChatGPT for scripts. Monetize with AdSense plus affiliate links. Hustle 3. Notion template store. Build aesthetic planners, habit trackers, or finance dashboards. Sell via Gumroad or Ko-fi. Templates are low maintenance once launched. Hustle 4. PLR ebooks to Gumroad. Grab PLR, private label rights books. Reformat and sell them as digital downloads. Bundle with upsells. Workbooks, printables. Hustle 5. Remote prompt writing for AI. Companies pay for ChatGPT prompt writers. Apply via Prompt-Base or Fiverr. Easy income if you're creative. Call to action. Final 10s. Want full tutorials on each of these? Hit subscribe. CashCraft drops new faceless income guides weekly.